Hi everyone, Happy New Year and welcome to 2026. This is BigChills Farm channel, and if you're new here, you are highly welcome. In today's video, I want to share simple things you must do if you want to make profit in catfish farming. Whether you want to start catfish farming or you're already farming and you're not seeing a good result, then this video is for you. Please make sure you watch to the end, because little mistake can cost you a lot of money. Number one, start with a proper planning. So before you go ahead and buy fingerlings or you buy feed, make sure you sit down and write down your plan. How many fish can I afford to raise? Which type of pond or tank am I using? And how much can I be able to afford to spend till harvest? Catfish farming is not trial and error, and if you stock fish without planning, then you will struggle from the beginning. So make sure to remember this: good planning reduce losses and increase profit. Number two, buy good and quality fingerlings. And one of the best secrets in catfish farming is where you buy your fingerlings from. This year, avoid buying fingerlings from unknown source. Weak fingerlings will give you slow growth, sickness, and high mortality rates. Make sure to buy from trusted hatcheries and ask questions. How old are these fingerlings? What feed have they been eating? And are they well sorted? Bad fingerlings can destroy your business before it starts. Number three, feed smart and not just small. Why? Because many farmers think feeding more means faster growth. But no, that's not always the truth. Feed according to the size of your fish. Do not overfeed. Why? Because overfeeding pollutes the water, leads to waste of feed, and slow the growth of your fish. Use quality feed and observe your fish while feeding. If your fish are not responding well to feed, then something is wrong. Always remember that feed is your highest cost, so use it wisely. Number four, maintain good water quality and fish health. Why? Because your fish lives in water, and water quality is important. Change water when necessary. Make sure to avoid dirty ponds and observe your fish every day. If you notice slow feeding, weak movement, strange swimming, or sudden death, treat the problem early. Do not wait until it's too late. Healthy fish, they grow faster and bring better profit. Number five, keep record and know your market. So this year, make sure you take your record very serious. Write down how much you spend on feed, mortality rate, growth progress, and total expenses. Also know where you will sell your fish before they are ready. Do not wait until harvest time before looking for buyer. Profit is not only in farming, profit is also in good marketing. If you follow these simple steps consistently, catfish farming can be profitable for you this year. If you find this video helpful, share it with another farmer, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to BigChills Farm channel for more practical farming tips. Drop your question in the comment section and I will respond. Thank you for watching, and I wish you a successful farming year. Bye.